Hi guys, welcome to my Make It Rain horizontal template. There are a bunch of different sports elements that are strategically positioned, making it effortless to insert your subjects and create a professional, polished look in minutes. So for example, this basketball template here, all these balls are individually arranged and layered in there for you to easily insert your subjects. You can include just a few players, or it can be a large team. So for example, there's a pretty good sized group of seniors right here. If I scale them just a little bit smaller, I can fit a lot more. So for example, if I had a bunch more like this, I could easily stack lots more subjects up above and off the sides simply by moving things around. It's incredibly easy to change colors and modify this to fit your team. So for example, changing the background color, I could pick, for example, a dark black that would look great with them. I could go with something lighter. I could go with those yellows. I could choose whatever color I wanted to fit my team. These templates have plenty of resolution. You can print up to 10-foot vinyl banners with these, or you can print stuff for parents like 4x6s, 5x7s, 8x10s. Your team's going to love it.